Oh, you shit now. You got big bumps. Like now you got black all over your face. Good morning, Philippines!
Don't you cry, somebody's
dropping, and it's easy to see why. For years, hospitals have put profits before patients. Waiting rooms fill up. Nurses are forced now. The best in the country have arrived. My heart is literally. He finds extinct animals that he makes the other animal extinct. Extinct or alive? No. As competition continues in the quest to find America's cutest cat. So far, most of their time as they're predators. So they conserve their energy until they get hungry. That starts making biscuits in the air. That's so cute. Oh, that's good. You know, why don't I try to help? No, keep going. It's cute. Oh, Pikachu, you are adorable. Excuse me, I'd like to exit.
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. Maano kami? Mag-film kami ng asawa ko ngayon. Ito gusto ko inom ang tubig. I'm vlogging. Look at this. Let me see. I have that Danish thing that Tommy got. It's the best Danish.
Give it.
They're trying to fix something. Basketball court. Do they have to hire everything over here? Just to put the basketball net?
I don't know. Let's put a net, but maybe they're doing. I don't know. I heard they're doing carpentry work. You don't really know. No carpentry work to put up a net.
I'm gonna start a tag.
What is a tag?
It's tag. It's for example, like I'm gonna like, you know, earliest to bed, you answer, I answer. Earliest to wake up early, you answer, I answer, like that. Yeah, like this is a nice place.
Just back in that face.
We have daycare over here. Meron silang daycare, guys. Oh my god, it's nice. You can put your dog here for training. Look, care and training.
Why are you
No?
saying
No?
county, state, or province? And it doesn't give me. What the hell kind of stupidity is this? Let's just put New York.
No. 2 minutes? Hello.
No.
Of course, we are done. So next week, guys, we're gonna bring the pets over here. Are we going? Oh, hello, there's a lot of cars.
Oh yeah. Hello. We gotta go.
Oh, just go over there, Han. Go over there and turn, please.
We're gonna have to wait now either way.
Yeah. Watch
Unless
out,
The
this-
mailman's gonna pull up right when I'm
No,
going.
you cannot do it now.
No,
I told you. Just no, you cannot. Just listen, Han.
Ridiculous. So screw that bullshit. Can't even make a turn in this fucking town.
Route recalculation.
It'll be about a half hour to make that thing.
Half hour?
And they don't have path at all.
Okay, but it's already 1 o'clock. Yeah, 1 hour.
Half
What did you order?
grandma pizza.
Huh.
It's just Because it's their most famous one, most popular. Give it a shot. Go ahead, sausage to it.
Of course.
Because it didn't have sausage. It's like fresh garlic, fresh mozzarella.
Marinara, fresh mozzarella, I like that. And fresh garlic, finished with extra virgin olive oil. Grana padano cheese. What is that? Maybe that's a pumpkin cheese.
And sausage.
Okay guys, finally tapos na yung pagdurusa namin eh. Pagdurusa talaga. Nakakuha na kami ng dito siya. Pancake. Tommy said that it's not even heavy pancake. I don't know what he expected for pancake.
Pizza.
Oh, pizza. I've been reading comments from you guys that you said Tommy and he make a lot of pancake from the video today. So yun. Kaya yung sinasabi ko is puro na lang pancakes. So yun, pizza. Tommy said pizza is not that heavy. I don't know what to expect. Supposedly be heavy.
It should be heavier than that.
It doesn't look good pizza.
I don't know.
Kapitbahay namin, nagkakat sila ng yard nila. Anyway, ako bukas na lang ako mag-cut. Anyway, mag-CR muna ako. Dinadala ko naman kayo dun. Anyway guys, pahinga muna ako. Andun si Tommy sa baba. Dito lang ako sa taas matulog. My husband does my makeup challenge. And he started asking me what to do. And I said, no asking.
Like I'm supposed to know what this crap is.
Crap is. While he's reading it, look. Meron yung friend ko na si Beth, pinadalhan niya ako nito. So, itatry na natin siya. Nakainin natin siya, guys.
Alright. Pour some of this on.
No. Do it in your hand, right? Do it in my hand. Or do it in your
I'm
hand.
not doing my hand. What am I doing with my hand? Are you kidding me? Change my colors.
Are you kidding me? Change my... Look, tignan nyo guys. He's do it.
Thing change colors. Are you
He's
kidding me?
he's gonna do my makeup, but he's gonna... Look at...
I don't know. We just do it like.
Alalubatan.
Well, of course, a little bit.
Pasensya na guys kung meron kayo naririnig na
Bad. Just really not feel like painting. It's like paint. Don't blend very good.
do it like that. You can't just touch
It's
it.
kinda wet. Like you just washed it.
People, okay guys, pasensya na guys kung meron kayong naririnig ng mga yung kapitbahay namin, nagkakat sila ng grass nila ngayon. So,
You like looking at the camera, but you have to suffer through it.
and the way you the way you're touching my face is itching me.
It's itching.
Take over.
It's your products. What do I know about it? I'm just putting it here. It's like changing your skin color. It is. Make it lighter. It's like different. This is what you want in your life. Weird crap.
He's gonna start off, but he's going to make my...
It's weird crap, guys. Women should be using this crap.
We're gonna eat this thing. My friend gave me this, we're gonna eat it. Where's my eyelashes and
Your eyelashes here.
there?
You got this stuff for eyelash too. Which one for you?
Yeah,
Both of them on.
that's for the eyelash.
So is this.
This is the eyebrow. Ash brown.
Don't even say what it's for.
Okay,
This
continue.
crazy
Tell
crap.
me what you're doing because oh my god, this video guys is not good because my tummy is not good.
I don't know what that one's doing.
Do my eyebrow.
And you keep turning that way like what?
Nagagalit na guys si Sir. Nagagalit na si Sir Tami.
This is wax. I don't understand why you wax it. Oh yeah, it's just like pink. This is wax, but it's like pink. Oh yeah, this is ridiculous.
You didn't have to make it perfect, Tami.
It's not gonna be anywhere near perfect.
Stop.
You got little, very light eyebrows.
Yeah. And you have the perfect one. It's really unfair.
I don't want to use that. We'll make a good seal. I have no idea why I'm going to make a good seal.
Tell them, hi guys, I'm good with makeup.
Hey guys, I'm out of my mind for doing this. Another thing. Crap. I'm going to go down? I thought we go up.
Yeah, go up.
You make me get on your face to do that. Oh, you should now get big clumps. Like now you got black knots all over your face, clumps on your eyes, black knots on your face. I know it's a concealer. It's a concealer spots where I got on your eye makeup on your face. Stop. Up.
And don't poke my eyes.
I'm not poking your eyes. You stop blinking like crazy.
I get it. And
Up on that one, please. Thank you.
that's it.
Stupid idiot.
Okay.
Got black dots here. Oh, now it's I had to put more of this.
That's it.
Cover the black dots. What is this?
Lapit natin guys para makita niyo.
This is for drawing under the eyes. Blonde. Brows are fine.
Huh?
Define the brows. I just put wax on your brows.
Yeah. You don't have to.
Just grab.
Because that's the same thing.
So now, which one of these colors you want? These are the same.
This one is for bronze. Just put it, hon. Just put what you think it is. Madam, you don't have to be
I don't
perfect.
know what anything is.
Yeah, you're not a girl, so you understand.
Okay.
Palukan yung asawa ko. Tingnan nyo guys, pag nakikita ito mga kapitbahay namin kung ano yung mga ginagawa. Tingnan nyo yung face niya. It's so serious.
I want to be painting faces. It's silly.
And the neighbors looking at it.
Yeah, I'm sure. That's it, man. What else do I do?
Just
Except you got these dots under your eyes from the eyelid. An eyebrow pencil.
do more, hon.
I do no more. There's no, honey. You make a clown.
You don't have lipstick?
Oh, you don't have no lipstick here.
Oh, I don't bring lipstick then. Oh, this is not a good makeup thing.
Yeah, what is
What you did to my brow, hon?
Well, I don't know, hon. You tell me to use this crap.
You make it like your eyebrow. Okay, guys. That's it, guys. It's not a good video. Nakatingin. Hi, Roxy, Misty, what are you guys looking at me for? Do you want more? Do you want some?
They do want some.
We are here in the garage. Luspad ko, guys.
It's on here, too.
Yeah, open that garage that we have space. I-change blade daw niya itong ano, laruan niya. Change blade. Kasi nagka-dark thing na dito. Si Tami kasi naglagay ng makeup. Nilagyan niya ako ng makeup. It's supposedly be a challenge. Like, my husband does my makeup challenge because Tami don't have a clue. You know, Tami is very manly and don't have any clue what. And anyway, nagluluto ako ngayon, guys. Lam lang ibibake ko at saka meron mang leftover na niluto ko kahapon kagabi. Yun na lang, ang dami naman nun. So, meron kaming, nagluto ako ng lamb para may meat. Para may meat and then pasta. Ito na siya, guys. I think lagyan ko siya ng parsley mamaya. Lamb, andun siya, guys. Yan, lutong-luto na yan. Ano na, ang sakit ng ulo ko, guys. I took Advil. Grabe, sakit. Sakit ng ulo ko. Iwan ko kung anong ginawa ni Tami sa eyebrow ko. I-upload ko pa rin yung ano, yung ginawan ako ni Tami ng makeup. I-upload ko pa rin siya. Ito na yung lamb, guys. Kakainin na namin siya. Ang so tender, guys. Uy, ang sarap nito, guys. As in, I cut it already. And it's so tender. So, hinihit ko lang yung ano, yung kakainin. Alas 8 na, guys. Uuwi na yan sila, guys. Dito lang siya. Hinihit ko lang siya kasi para hindi maginaw kainin. Kasi kapag maginaw kainin, walang lami.
Okay, I'm out. Yeah, me too. 7 years of college and I have no idea what you're talking about.
Palabasin ko muna itong mga aso. Roxy? Oh, guys. Gabing-gabi na, guys. Tulog na yung mga kapitbahay, guys. Dilim na din. 10 o'clock na. Hindi ko natapon basura ko. In! Come in. And, yeah, so si Tami nagdadrive na mga 30 minutes ago. Umalis na sila. And hopefully, walang traffic para hindi ma-stuck yung baby ko. Kung saan. Para hindi ma-stuck sa traffic. Para hindi matagalan. So, yun. Anyway, guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching into this vlog, guys. I really appreciate, guys, the time ninyo. And I will talk to you tomorrow. Good night. Bye. Good night, guys. Bye-bye.